Why does your scanner show the P2010 engine code? What does it mean? P2010 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold runner control circuit high bank 1. This engine code indicates that the ECU has detected a high voltage in the circuit that controls the intake manifold runners. This malfunction can be caused by poor electrical connections, a faulty intake manifold control solenoid. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IMRC valve or solenoid. Wiring issues. Carbon buildup. Restricted vacuum lines. Exhaust system problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture, since 1996. It is commonly found in Jeep Compass, Ford, Toyota, and BMW models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.